What is up guys, this is Amgad, back to you with another video, and in this one we're going to be talking about new smartphones that are coming out this year, 2023, that are going to shake and wobble the smartphone market. So if you want to know what these phones are, keep watching. Now the first one is the classic that we have every single year. In February the 1st, Samsung has revealed their release date of the new Galaxy S23 series. This year we're gonna have the S23, S23 Plus, and the S23 Ultra. Now, as it sounds, the Ultra is obviously gonna be the maxed out version with the craziest camera setups, with the highest performance. Usually all three versions, the S23, the S23 Plus, and the S23 Ultra, here in the US they will come with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, which is a very powerful chip, and the RAM choices shouldn't be any less than 8 gigs of RAM. Now, personally, I think that the hype for the new Samsungs that we have every year has been slowly going down off the chart, because it's really it's the ultimate phone. We all know that it's gonna have a very, very good camera, a very, very good performance, a very, very good design, and it's the phone that most people can use without any problems. And now, with the 4-year software updates guarantee from Samsung, I guess they really killed it when it comes to the smartphone business. And personally, the phones that I'm really, really excited about are the foldables. So this year, we should have the Fold 5 and the Z Flip 5. And Samsung pretty much has perfected the foldable devices in general. They have the best hinges, the best overall experience, the best overall package. Yes, they're super pricey, but because the technology is new and everything, and with the new Samsung foldables, they should be solving the crease problem that is in the middle of the display, because Oppo has pretty much perfected the crease. Now Oppo knows how to hide it properly. We all have seen the videos with the Oppo Find N, which when you actually try and look for the crease, you wouldn't see it. Now the other phone that I'm really, really excited about is the OnePlus flagship. OnePlus lately have been, they've changed their identity when it comes to the smartphone market and everything. Now they're more of a flagship company. Before, they used to be the flagship killer, the phone that gives you the specs of a flagship device with a mid-range price. That's what they call a flagship killer. Now the new OnePlus this year should come with upgraded cameras, upgraded performance, upgraded, display, stuff like that. OnePlus phones usually every year come with very, very minor changes, but OnePlus was known for their charging speeds, which really, really differentiates them from the other phones in the market. And we're not gonna forget about the big dogs, the new iPhone 15s. Now, this year, we usually have a new iPhone every September of the year, but we just had the new iPhone 14s last September. So I wouldn't really expect, a lot of leaks nowadays, but most people, and including me personally, think that the new iPhone 15s would come with upgraded internals, same design, same dynamic island, same everything. Maybe they will change their lineup a little bit. They would probably eliminate the iPhone 14 because it didn't do well when it comes to sales. That's what the statistics say. But the iPhone 15 should be a camera killer, because the iPhone 14 Pro with its new 48 megapixel sensor is having over sharpening issues. So Apple should be working on the software behind the processing of any image to make it more natural and not over processed. And the Nothing phone. The Nothing phone had a lot of hype because of its wild design from the back and stuff like that. And it was considered as a mid-range device when it comes to the specs and, the camera capabilities. But this year, I'm really, really excited to see what's next from Nothing. What's next? How are they gonna, compete in the mid-range market, or if they're gonna step up their game and move to the flagship market? I want to see the new design of the second generation of the Nothing phone and how is it gonna look, and stuff like that. This actually makes me excited because nowadays all phones look the same. They all, share the same stuff. All of them are fast. All of them have good cameras. All of them have good displays. But what really differentiates phones nowadays is the design and the camera capabilities. And that was it for me in this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please drop a like. Also subscribe and hit that bell icon so you don't miss any of my new videos. And make sure you follow me on Instagram and Twitter and all of my social media. All the links are going to be in the description down below. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.